that's what we got today, which is and will be removed. Here is your rear view mirror, and I restarted like I always do without you. So put your finger in between. Nope. Let's start over. Let's put this back because I already took it off. Apparently people like to troll, as we all know. And so what I did was took my finger, put it in the crack, and pulled down. Oh. Push down, says me. Push down, says me. Oh. Move it over. And now we got a Torx. A T20 Torx, to be exact. That's it. Do not take it out. You pull upward. Clip right there. Now you unplug on this side, but this you have to squeeze both top and bottom, and that releases the clip out of the actual. I mean, you could probably pull on it, but I wouldn't. You can clearly see the clips that you got to squeeze. It's one toward the windshield and one toward you. Those two, and it pops right out. So there you have it. Let's spin it back around and put it back, and pretend like nothing ever happened. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.